me, when you do the 45 degree, look, I go from, look at my instep, okay, the instep, I face to you, right, face to the audience, don't face up, that means 10 in, okay, when you do the front, you have to self-check, see the instep face out, away from the chair, and then you go round to the side, look my instep right now, face to the ceiling, I'm not face to the front, let her in, make sure, rotate your leg nicely, turn out. When you go to back, it's a hard one. Okay, from RC come to back, the very important thing is your support leg in pulling up more, and then you go back. Do you see my instep still face up, I'm not face down. Clear? I need that, okay? So from the side to the back is very hard. So you need pulling up, supporting leg, and then you go back. You will be much easier keep turn out. Careful of that, okay? So we do left side, work on that part, okay? I will remind